Mom, Dad, look, I won the game.
Great job, Ryan. You are very fast.
I am happy for you, son.
Let us make dinner now. I love making pizza with you.
It is the best.
This is a great photo album. Look at your small baby face.
We were so happy. Oh, it is my office calling. I must answer.
Mark, please do not.
I have to.
Please, it's family time.
It'll be quick. I will be back in 5 minutes.
Dad, please stay with us.
Mark, put your phone away. It is dinner time.
I cannot. I have too much work.
You are always busy. You have no time for us.
I work hard for this family. Bye.
Mom, Dad, look at my school drawing.
Not now, Ryan. Go to your room.
But I got an A today.
Ryan, please. We are busy right now.
Why are they always fighting? They are so loud. Our home is not happy anymore. I feel so lonely, Mr. Bear.
I want them to stop. I want them to smile again.
They do not listen to me. Maybe I can make a plan. I will draw a special calendar. I will put a big red heart. This Sunday is Family Day. No phones, only love. I must be brave. I hope they will look at this.
I am tired of this argument.
I am tired too, Sarah.
Please look at this paper. I made it for us.
What is this, Ryan? A family day with a big heart?
I want us to play again. I want us to listen.
Oh, Ryan, I am so sorry. We were so busy fighting.
I am sorry too, son. I forgot what is important. Sarah, I am sorry. I will close my laptop now.
Thank you, Mark.
We are a team again. Let us play our board game. We must always make time for family. Listen and use kind words. Today is Sunday. Our special family day is finally here.
Yes, Ryan. No work today.
I am ready. I packed the picnic basket with delicious food.
Did you bring strawberries?
Yes, Ryan. Your favorite strawberries are inside the basket.
Awesome, thank you, Mom. Let us go to the park. I want to run.
Let us go. Get in the car.
I love singing in the car. We are a happy team.
We are a great team.
We are here.
The park is so green and beautiful today. Look at the big trees.
Let us put the blue blanket on the soft grass.
I will help you, Mom.
Here is your strawberry, Ryan. It is very sweet.
Thank you, Dad. This is perfect.
Oh no, is that a phone?
Mark, did you bring it?
I am sorry. I forgot to turn it off. It is buzzing.
Please do not answer it, Mark. Remember our Sunday rule.
But it is my boss.
Are you going to fight again? Please do not be angry.
Oh, sweetie, no. We aren't angry.
We're here for you, buddy.
We are not fighting, Ryan. We are just talking. Right, Mark?
Yes, Ryan. We are okay. It is an emergency at the office. I do not know what to do.
We must listen to each other. Mark, is it very important?
Yes, Sarah. If I do not help, the system will break.
I understand.
We can manage here.
Dad, can you talk for 2 minutes and then turn it off?
We could share the last cookie.
That is a great idea, Ryan.
Mark, do you agree? Yes, that is very kind. Hello? Yes, press the blue button to fix it. Goodbye-bye. Now, the phone is off. It is completely off.
Yay! No more work.
Look, I am putting the phone deep inside the picnic basket.
I am proud of you, Mark. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for understanding.
Let us play tag now. Dad, you are it.
I am going to catch you.
Run, Ryan, run. Dad is very fast today. You cannot catch me, Dad. We used kind words. We listened. Today is the best family day. Monday is here. Back to school today. Have a great day, Ryan. Learn a lot. Mom, I have a big science project this Friday. I need help. We will help you, Ryan.
I have a lot of work this week, but I will make time.
Thank you, Dad.
What are we building, Ryan? Is it a volcano?
No, Mom. We are building the solar system.
I will buy the paint and the clay today after work.
You are the best, Dad. Can we build my science project tonight? Here are the materials. Let us start.
I am tired from work, but I am ready to help. We can paint Saturn first.
Look at this yellow paint. It is perfect for the sun.
Yes, the sun is so big. Is that your work phone, Dad?
Yes, but I will not answer. Family project time is more important.
I am proud of you.
I am making the Earth. It is blue and green.
It looks beautiful, Ryan.
Whoops! I got red paint on my nose.
You look like a funny clown, Dad.
Let me clean that Mark.
No, let us keep painting. This is fun!
Now, we must glue the planets to the cardboard.
I will hold the bottle.
We are finished! Our solar system looks amazing!
It is beautiful. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
The science fair is so crowded. There are many parents.
I am a bit nervous.
Do not worry, Ryan. You did a great job. We are here.
Yes, we are a team. We are always here for you.
Thank you.
Hello, Ryan. Tell me about your solar system.
It's the solar system. The sun is in the middle. This is the sun. And this is Earth. We built it together.
It is excellent. You have a wonderful family.
Thank you so much.
Here is your first place medal, Ryan. Well done.
I got a medal.
Oh, Ryan, we are so proud of you.
You are amazing, son.
We won because we worked together. We are the best team.
Yes, we listened and helped each other. That is our secret.
Let us celebrate at home. I want to cook dinner with you. That sounds wonderful, Ryan.
I will make the salad. No work phones in the kitchen tonight.
Yay! Thank you, Dad.
Look at this table. It is so clean and quiet now.
Yes, it is perfect for our family.
This dinner is delicious. Thank you for helping me with my science project. This dinner is delicious. Thank you for helping me with my science project.
We loved helping you, Ryan. We are so proud of your hard work.
We learned a big lesson this week. Family is more important than work. Let us promise to keep our Sunday family day forever.
I promise, Mark.
I promise too. Look, Mom put my drawing in a beautiful frame on the wall.
Yes, it is to remind us of our love every day.
It is beautiful.
I love our home now. We smile and laugh all the time.
We love you, Ryan. You made our family strong again.
You are our hero, son.
We are the best team. Let us hug.
I am so happy. We have our warm home back.
Yes, we do.
Always listen to your family. Practice your English with us. Like and subscribe for more stories.